It's 2025, and AI assistants are everyday business tools, and chances are you've already been told you need one. But here's the twist. Not all AI assistants are the same. The two biggest contenders? Chatbots and voice agents. Both are smart, both are powerful, but they're not interchangeable. And choosing the right one is like picking a sidekick for your business. It has to fit your workflow, your audience, and your vibe. So let's break it down. A chatbot is your digital text buddy. It lives on your website, your app, or your messaging platforms like WhatsApp or Messenger. It answers questions, qualifies leads, helps with bookings, and does it all through text. Think of it as a front desk rep who never takes a break. A voice agent, on the other hand, does the same job but with conversations. It replaces old-school phone menus with natural, human-like dialogue. Need an appointment scheduled, a question answered, or support handled without pressing 1, 2, or 3. That's your voice agent, a receptionist that can handle 100 calls at once. And here's the thing, they're powered by the same intelligence. Both use AI and natural language processing, but one types, the other speaks, and that difference completely changes how your customers interact with you. If your customers reach out via chat or social apps, a chatbot is the obvious pick. If most people call you, a voice agent makes way more sense. And if they do both, well, the smartest businesses already know the answer. Use both and let them work together. Now let's talk use cases. Go with a chatbot when you want to capture leads in real time, guide users through sales, answer FAQs instantly, or even support your internal teams with HR or IT bots. Go with a voice agent when your business depends on calls, like routing them naturally instead of through clunky phone trees, booking and rescheduling appointments, handling pressure when customers are frustrated, or serving multilingual communities. In other words, the channel matters and AI makes it seamless. Customer experience is another big piece. Chatbots shine when speed and simplicity matter most. About 2/3 of people say they love how fast they get answers from them, and it's true. Chatbots are perfect for multitaskers or people on the go. Voice agents, though, win on accessibility. For people who prefer talking, or for those with visual impairments or reading challenges, voice AI makes support feel natural, human-like, and inclusive by design. Budget matters too. Chatbots are usually the quicker and cheaper entry point, especially for small businesses. Voice agents might cost a little more, but they often replace entire call centers, which means a bigger return if your business handles lots of calls. And here's the part a lot of businesses overlook. You don't have to pick just one. The best results come from using both. Picture a clinic that uses a chatbot on its website to answer insurance questions and collect forms, while a voice agent handles incoming calls, books appointments, and sends reminders. Together, they save staff hours every week and keep patients happy. That's real-world AI teamwork. So what's the bottom line? There's no one-size-fits-all answer. If your customers type, get a chatbot. If they talk, get a voice agent. If they do both, don't overthink it. Use both and cover all your bases. The key is matching the right AI sidekick to your mission. And the good news? You don't have to figure it out alone. With Vera, your AI consultant, you can set up the right tool for your business quickly, without a tech team, and start delivering smarter customer experiences today. If this video gave you a clearer picture of how chatbots and voice agents fit into your customer journey, hit like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell button to stay updated.